Hi. Trains are boring. You're annoying.
Whoa, that
Oh my god. Hello. I'm bored.
Okay, we're gonna cut your dinner short.
Hi.
Are you gonna do anything else, or were you gonna leave? Okay, well,
need light, gotta be light. Oh god.
Alright. This is Liz doing her makeup. How come every time I turn this thing on, my hair is like out to the side of Texas? Hi.
we can't even get inside the gate,
You
right?
just call me Texas. Yeah.
We couldn't even get inside the gate, right?
Yeah, it's just so bright
Get
outside. I need
inside your
sunglasses.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll hang at the station a while. Call us
Nice.
Oh, shut up.
No, I'm bored. Leave me alone. There's nothing to do.
Do yourself.
Then we'll have nothing to do later. Whoa.
You think?
Cleavage. Hat.
I wonder what this looks like.
That was me doing red faces.
Okay. Okay.
My face looks wide.
Oh my god. This is obscenely boring.
It's better which, can you imagine every single weekend? I had to go back on Sunday. That's why you're gonna drag me.
Only if I go to SeaWorld.
Where are you going?
Well, I don't know. I have to talk to my dad because we're gonna go see Sid's play, and then I don't know. I kind of want to go.
This Sid fucker.
Shut up.
Brooke's a freak.
Your arm looks really fat right there.
Why'd you go our cousin? We're not normal.
No, we're not. We had cookie dough.
Hey, Brooke, look at me.
Oh shit.
No, I'm not gonna hit you. Should I wear it like this and be like,
We're going to LA. That might be a bad idea.
I'd rather be. We're gonna be at LA.
That was strange. I kept looking at the whatever this thing is called. This thing right there. Well, that's the lens, but it just looked cooler because I was pointing at it.
I have a huge hairbrush. Look at this thing.
Why did you use mine all weekend then?
No, it's so big I lose things.
Oh my god.
Look at it.
MySpace.
No, E.T.
Oh, where's E.T.? E.T. Can you see it?
One, wait.
Wait.
There we go. Spider-Man.
I just burped. That was pretty.
Spider-Man.
No, they don't care about Spider-Man. Fine. Spider-Man. No, no, no. No, no, no. Spider-Man.
This train mosquitoes.
My phone just fell. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, nice. Nice. Sexy. Wait. Cheesecake!
Sure there.
Where? Rawr. Hot.
We got chocolate. Yeah.
No, 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 no. Give me some of that. When you're done. I got it. Alright.
Have to be rich. That's not speak. Look, have to be beautiful. To be
You cannot sing the song, can you?
Okay, right now.
Alright.
Kiss. Hi. Hello.
Oh my god.
My nose.
What is that, Midol?
No. It's Vicodin.
What? Seriously? Lies.
It's not lies, it's Vicodin.
You just showed me. It's Excedrin.
No, it's not.
Oh my god. Let me see it.
No, it's mine.
Shut up.
Why don't you ever believe me? I showed it to you. I'd hide it.
She went to pee. Yeah. And then 15 minutes. still pee.
Tell me this.
Stomach.
I'm gonna get tan tomorrow too.
In the butt. Woo!
But stop.
Are we in LA?
No.
Should we get off?
No, we're not. You wanna get off of here? Didn't think so.
Yes. Oh, it's like the other. Oh, I just got a text message. What?
Shut the fuck up.
No.
Shut the fuck up.
I hate you. Nice. It's not focusing. Look at me. Creepy. Cause I'm like just on your eyes. Wait, say it, go.
You don't have to.
No, you keep. You know what? You suck at this.
Beautiful. Turn me on. You don't have to.
Well, we know that's a fact.
You don't have to go to my world.
Hello. Hello.
To be extra time in your kiss.
$1?
You missed it.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Sure.
I'm bored. Don't touch me. Do you see that? That's sexual harassment. Sexual harassment. Sexual harassment.
It can't be sexual harassment if you actually like it. Only be bored if you're a boring person. What?
I'm bored as cheese.
Cheese is bored?
Do you want to be cheese?
No, thank you.
Well, then cheese is boring. Whoa. It's insanity. I want to push that light button again. Let it go.
Don't look at the light. It's gonna kill you. I'd better have a memory stick.
You have to buy them separately.
It says memory stick duo in here, right?
In pack? Is that the pack you didn't buy? Is that thing you had to buy that you didn't buy?
Yeah, I did buy it.
Oh.
But I think that's what comes with the value pack.
Oh.
But that comes with the. I had that and I had.
This side's better.
It's Casablanca night! Oh! Prince!
That was me doing weird faces.
Okay. Okay.
Oh crap.
Nice, very nice. You will never get this.
You suck.
No, I did today. My sister was like that.
That was a weird face. What am I? I don't know what I'm doing. I need to stop looking at like viewpoint right there, up there. Yeah, like that. Huh.